We're private. We're running at about 500 million in revenue across 40 countries, 2,000 customers around the world. The top 25 CPG companies in the world use us. The top 30 banks in the world use us. Very large consumer product manufacturing companies use us. Things that you and I drink and eat every day use us. And so this is really AI at scale. And what makes that possible at Symphony is we call ourselves a vertical AI company. And that's not a marketing term. That's a very specific term. Most AI that enterprise use is horizontal AI. So what that means is you bring in a platform or you bring in a solution and you spend the first 9 months, maybe more, training their agents and their models on your industry and on your company. We come in with our different product platforms in retail, in financial services, and in manufacturing, and in enterprise IT, and in media. And we already have prepackaged the agents that understand your use cases, the ontologies that understand how your industry works, and the models that are already trained on data that is specific to your industry. So it's not trained on the internet. It's not trained on consumers. Knowledge is trained on how a manufacturing plant works. It's trained on how a bank works or a grocery or convenience store works. And that's why we can stand up our solutions inside 6 weeks and start running your use cases and not wait the 9 months for you to train us up on that.
Yeah, and you guys won for this Eureka platform. And from what I was reading, it's kind of 3-layered, where you have kind of this kind of knowledge graph, kind of the context of everything. And then you have this orchestration layer. And then you also put it through governance, which makes total sense to me because you think about you have the knowledge, you have how you're supposed to do things, right? And then you have this cop on the side going, are they doing it the right way?